Welcome, guys, in your math class. Today in maths, we are going to start our new lesson that is in Unit 5, working with numbers 200. And lesson is 5.3, multiplication. We are going to start from page number 89 to 93. So in this lesson, we are going to learn add equal groups, explore multiplication as equal additions as an array, and build the multiplication tables from 1 to 5 and 10. So moving on to exercise 5.1. So welcome, boys. In the previous lesson, we have learned about plus addition, in which we use plus sign. And in second, we have learned subtraction, minus. This is the minus sign. And today we are going to start with multiplication. That sign, we are going to use this sign, that is X sign. We are going to use an X sign that is called multiplication, like this. So moving on to the first question, 5.3, it says write the repeated additions and multiplication number sentences. S- So we have to write the repeated additions and multiplication numbers. See this number line. 0 plus 10 is 10. 10 plus 10 is 20. So how do we are going to do this? With the help of addition, with the help of addition. So are we going to get 10? So we have to add 10 as in the 0, we have to add 10. So it is going to be plus 10. We are going to get 10. How we are going to get 20? So we are going to add 10 plus 10. So it will be 20, 20, and so on. 20 plus 10, 20 plus 20 plus 10 equals 10 equals 30. So like this, we are going to add 10 each time, okay, to the numbers. So how many numbers are there in number lines? How many tens? Here's our how many tens? Count. 10, 1, 2, 10, 10, 10, and 10. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to write here by adding them, okay? Just a minute. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add 10 plus 10, number 3 again, 10 plus 10 plus 10, 5 tens, so on. It will be plus 10 and plus 10 equals, it is going to be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So it will be 70. So repeated addition means what you are going to do, you are going to add all the tens together. 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 10, 30. 30 plus 10, 40. 40 plus 10, 50. 50 plus 10, 60. And 60 plus 10 is 70. This is the repeated addition. What is it? Repeated additions. The same number, we are going to add it, plus it again and again. This is called addition number sentences. So what is the question? We have to find the multiplication numbers. So let's find out. So what are we going to add in number each time? 10. So we are adding 10 each time. What we are going to do? We are going to add 10 again and again. So to get 70, we have to add 10 7 times. Like this, you can see in the picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. To get to the 70, what we are going to do? We are going to add 10 7 times. So now I'm going to write with me, boys. We are going to say 10 plus 7. Oh, no. 10, this is multiplication, equals, just a minute, guys. It is going to be 70. So we can add or we can multiply. We are going to count them with the help of number line. So it will be easy. So this is the repeated addition number and this is the multiplication numbers. Okay. Don't worry, we are going to move on to the question number 2 and it will be easy for you. So here, show the repeated number in sentences on the number line. So here, what we are going to do, we are going to add 2 each time. What we are going to do, we are going to add 2 each time and show it onto the number line. So this number line is going to start from 0 and it is going to end at 20. So let's say what we are going to say, plus 2. And again, when we add 2, it will be 4. And again, we are going to add 2. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times we are going to add 2. So we have to jump on adding 2 numbers. So like this, we are going to add again and again 2. So don't jump on 2, jump on 3. Here I make some mistake for jumping. From 10, you have to jump on 12. So it will be 12. So this is 12. And from 12, we are going to jump on 14. So this is what we are going to do. We are jumping each time 2. So when you jump from 0 to 2, it is 2. Okay. And then we are going to jump again. So it will be 4. So it will be, again, we are going to jump. It will be 6, 8. And when we jump again with the help of 2, adding 2, we got 12, 14, and we got 16. Okay. So each time what we are adding plus 2. Each time what we are doing repeated additions. 2. So again, plus 2. Every time we are adding 2. So we are going to add 2 8 times to get 16. Like this. So we are going to add to 8 times to get to the 16. So 8 times. So what we are going to do, we are adding to 8 times. So this is the repeated additions. So what we are going to do, we are going to say 8. It's time to write multiplication number sentences for this question. So you have to use multiply sign. Sorry, just a minute. Yes. So 8 multiply by 2, or you are going to say 2 multiply 8 times equal 16. So the 2 that we are adding, and we are adding it 8 times. So our answer is going to be 16. So what is our answer going to be? 16. So this is how we are going to solve the question. So, okay, now look at question number 3. What we are going to do, 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 25. So multiplication, I told you people that in multiplication sign, what do we use? We use multiply. Okay. So how many times we are adding? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what we are adding 5 times? It is 5. So 5 multiplied by 5 equals 25. Okay, next one is let's do the multiplication first, and then we are going to do addition. 10 plus 10, 10 plus 10, and plus 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what we are going to do, 10, we are adding how many times? 5 times. So answer is going to be 50. Okay. Next one is 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 10. So how many times, what we are adding? We are adding 2. Okay. And how many times we are adding? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are adding to 5 times. So answer is going to be 10. Okay. So on, you can understand this is how you are going to solve. Okay, now here, coming back to this question, 2 multiplied by 4 equals 8. So what we are going to add? You are going to add 2. So this is addition. So we are going to add 2. How many times? 4 times to get the answer. So equals, sorry, yes, equals 8. So answer is going to be 8. Okay. Now here 5 multiplied by 3 equals 15. So we are going to add 5. How many times? Here you can see in the question 3 times. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 25. Equals, sorry, not 25, 15. Yes. So answer is going to be 15. So why we are adding 3 times? With the help of multiplication question, we have seen that here 5 is going to be added 3 times. So answer is going to be 15. So here, last question from this question number 3. Question 10 plus 10 equals 10 plus 2 times, so equals 20. So you can see here, this is our answer. So that's all for today. Take care and have a nice day.